Yo, I'm at South Park right now at work, and the building on fire, and I can't get out. It's getting harder and harder for them to see us. We're gonna have to stand out here, man, so to see. The building on fire, I'm trapped inside, me and my man. Yo, this building is on fire. I'm at work. Somebody send help. We're at South Park. Help!
On May 18th, 2023, in Charlotte, North Carolina, a fire broke out at a multi-story apartment building under construction near the South Park Mall. One of the construction workers, named DeMonte Sherrill, went live on Facebook to notify his friends and family of the dire situation he was in. One of the viewers was DeMonte's own mother, Onita Sherrill. Alongside DeMonte was his friend and coworker, Ruben Holmes, age 50. They were both trapped on the 6th floor of the unfinished building when the entire structure was engulfed in flames caused by a spray foam insulator on the ground floor. 2 crews of firefighters were sent into the building to try to rescue the 2 men, but failed due to enormous amounts of smoke filling the building. The firefighters themselves had to make mayday calls to be rescued from the smog and fast-moving flames. One firefighter said he could hear the cries of the men on the 6th floor, but there was absolutely nothing he could do at that point. Ruben is survived by his 8 siblings and his mother, Willie Mae Holmes. Ruben had no children, but he will never be forgotten. DeMonte Sherrill will live on through his 4 children. Rest in peace.